A word of caution is coming from all kinds of agencies in the county and also from community members who say that they were impacted. This is an acted out scenario.
There's a student who is, quote, dying right there. So he's being taken to the emergency room right now.
On Tuesday at Walnut Grove Elementary School in Patterson, hundreds of sixth grade students experienced real-life inspired scenarios, educating them on the impacts of drug use.
So that they're fully informed and they can see the ramifications of a student getting arrested or a student dying. That's the reality.
County health officials say this event, which was done with the help of law enforcement and actual first responders, comes at an important time.
Ceres is being impacted right now by the fentanyl crisis. They are seeing a disproportionately higher amount of drug-related overdose and poisonings.
While Marsh says there hasn't been a rise in fentanyl-related deaths in the county, the Ceres Police Department says due to a spike, the city is now facing an urgent public health crisis. According to Ceres Police, there have been 44 fentanyl-related deaths in the county this year. 6 of those were in Ceres, and they also cite a 35% increase in opioid-related emergency calls in the last month. We spoke with a Stanislaus County doctor who said a lot of these deaths are from fake pills that were laced with fentanyl or other dangerous substances.
The number one thing I can think of in terms of prevention is really for people not to experiment, not to try something that they're not as sure as they could be is from, from somewhere reliable, which I still consider reliable to be a pharmacy, a regular doctor.
Fentanyl awareness advocates like Tammy Karp and Sophia Vivo, who both lost loved ones to fentanyl, are pushing out their own warnings by sharing their stories in the community, like here at this school.
I find it really heartbreaking, but I also think that we have to acknowledge that this series isn't the first community in Stanislaus County, and it unfortunately will not be the last.
And like Ceres Police, they are urging the public, especially local youth, to be aware of the dangers and the devastating impacts that can come from drug use.
When you lose a child, there's nothing that can imaginably come close to that. It is a grief that you will live with for the rest of your life.
People are being asked to have conversations with their children about these concerns and to seek out any help and resources in the area if needed. For now, reporting in Ceres, covering local news that matters, I'm Josie Hart, Fox 40 News.
The deadline to get your